To reset the Phantom Wallet extension, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the extensions page. This can typically be found by typing in the address bar or by accessing it through the browser's menu. Once you are on the extensions page, locate the Phantom Wallet extension and click on the three dots next to it. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you the option to remove or reset the extension. However, to reset the Phantom Wallet extension, you will need to access its settings. To do this, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser's toolbar. Then click on the gear icon or the settings option within the wallet interface. In the settings menu, look for the advanced or troubleshooting section, where you should find an option to reset the wallet. This option may be labeled as Reset, Restore, or Clear Data. Clicking on this option will erase all of the wallet's data and settings, effectively resetting it to its default state. Before resetting, be aware that this action will remove all of your wallet's accounts, contacts, and settings. If you have any important information or assets stored in the wallet, make sure to back them up or transfer them to a secure location before proceeding. It is also important to note that resetting the Phantom Wallet extension will not affect your actual cryptocurrency balances or assets, as they are stored on the blockchain and not within the wallet itself. After confirming that you want to reset the wallet, wait for the process to complete. This should only take a few seconds. Once the reset is complete, the Phantom Wallet extension will be restored to its default state, and you can begin setting it up again as if it were a new installation. To set up the wallet again, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account, restore an existing one, or connect to a hardware wallet. Make sure to store your recovery phrase and private keys in a secure location to avoid losing access to your assets. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully reset the Phantom Wallet extension and start using it again. Remember to always prioritize the security of your cryptocurrency assets and follow best practices for storing and managing your wallets and private keys.